Click on the link below to get price. The Tamron 35 to 150mm f/2-2 8D III VXD for Sony E-Mount is an impressive lens that combines versatility and exceptional optical performance, making it a valuable addition to any photographer's kit. With its wide aperture range of f/2 to f/2.8 throughout the zoom range, this lens excels in low-light conditions, allowing for beautiful bokeh and vibrant colors in portraits and landscapes alike. The build quality of the Tamron 35 to 150mm is solid, featuring a weather-sealed design that makes it suitable for outdoor shooting in various conditions. The lens feels robust yet surprisingly lightweight, which is a significant advantage for photographers who are frequently on the move. The zoom mechanism is smooth and precise, allowing for quick adjustments without losing focus on the subject. Optically, this lens delivers stunning results. The sharpness is impressive from corner to corner, even wide open, which is a testament to its advanced optical design. The lens incorporates multiple special glass elements that minimize aberrations and enhance color accuracy. This means you can expect crisp, clear images with minimal distortion, making it suitable for a wide range of photography styles, including portraits, landscapes, and even street photography. Autofocus performance is another highlight, thanks to the VXD VoiceCoil E Extreme Torque Drive motor that ensures fast and silent focusing. This is particularly beneficial when shooting video, as the autofocus is nearly imperceptible. The lens also features a customizable focus hold button, which adds functional convenience during shooting. Overall, the Tamron 35 to 150mm f/2-2 8D III VXD stands out for its remarkable versatility and image quality. Whether you are a professional seeking a reliable workhorse or an enthusiast looking to elevate your photography, this lens is undoubtedly worth considering. Its combination of speed, performance, and build quality makes it a standout option in the crowded landscape of zoom lenses.